About the most important side hustles that you can do, and you can make $100 to $700 really easily if you're even if you are a beginner. So the thing that you need to do, there are hundreds and thousands of options like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, and so much more. But what I want to sell, I mean, what I want to say to you is very simple, and that is you do not have to sell anything if you are someone who is just understanding, and even if you are someone who is just new to all this, it's completely okay. So, what you need to do basically is you need to come into here, and it is nothing but your own YouTube. Okay, so whenever you come into YouTube, and it is a trending section that you can easily see. So what you need to do here is you can see all these awesome things, and they are getting like in millions in views, right? So you do not have to do anything like that. I'm going to be showing you some really amazing way, that is a simple example channel, and this channel is known as Kevin Stratford. Okay, so you can see they have uploaded like 3 days ago, 5 days ago, getting some 10k, 17k, and not just that, they're also getting something around. You can see easily that they have got like 4 views, 1 view, 2 view, and even really less views, like 1 view, even 3 views, and I mean it is not that great, right? So what you can basically do is very fun to be true. And now the most important thing is to understand this, that whenever you come into this place, you'll be able to understand. I'm going to be going on to Social Blade right now, and you can easily see on Social Blade that not just that, on last 30 days this channel has got 8 million views, right? So this channel has got on the last 30 days 8 million views, and this is pretty much awesome. So you can easily imagine that, for example, it's like 8 million, right? So if we go on to Google, you real easily and how you can make videos like this. So if you come on to Google and you simply write calculator, so if you write calculator, and we are going to be doing some real simple mathematics things, and which is really simple. Okay, so it's like 8 million right now, and if we divide it by 1,000, so that we know that for 1,000 people, so it's coming like this. For example, if we get like $1 or $2, so let's be generous, let's think that it is going to be getting like $2. Okay, so this channel is generating like $16,000 real easily with the help of that. So you can easily see that this channel is making there about $16,000 every single month, and you can easily see that they have got like 70k subscribers. How? You know how? I'm going to be showing you how you can basically do that. For example, what they're doing is that onto the most popular videos, if we go, then you'll be able to see this guy named Kevin is actually teaching something really amazing. And what is this guy even teaching? So this guy is actually teaching something really amazing, like how you can actually record your screen, actually your this display basically, and how you can actually use Microsoft PowerPoint, how you can actually convert from JPG to PNG, how you can actually use Word file and then you can convert it to PDF. I mean, it's super easy, right? And that is what this guy is doing basically. So whenever if you want to learn how you can actually do, it's super simple. So for this, for example, onto the most popular one, you can see that it has got like 5.4 million, 3.6, 3.2. Okay, so how to make a video in PowerPoint, how to record your computer screen in Windows 10. So you need to actually click on to YouTube, and after that you need to write here how to record your screen. Okay, so you can see that whenever we write all this, we are getting options or recommendations straight from YouTube, that how you can record your screen on PC, on iPhone, iPad, Mac, Android, OBS, Windows 10 with internal audio, on Mac, on laptop, PC, Windows 11, and yourself at the same time on Samsung for YouTube videos, and so much more. So you can see this is our report search prediction. Okay, so this is a search prediction. That is what's happening basically, is actually people are finding. So I'm going to be showing you another, you can say another channel that is actually doing it, just it has been into a niche especially. So what this channel is known as is how to apps. Okay, so the name of the channel is How to Apps, and this channel is doing it really in an awesome way. For example, so what this channel is actually doing is very simple. It's how to, you can see that how to turn off your lower, okay, how to turn off low power mode on iPhone, how to turn off low power mode on iPhone. Okay, so it's like disable and enable, how to turn on and turn off. Okay, so how to turn off battery percentage, how to turn on battery percentage, so which are like 55-second video, 1 minute 34-second videos, basically super simple, super easy videos. So these videos are something that is getting some real great traction. Similarly, Kevin Stratman is also doing this, and you can see every single day this channel is getting like almost 200 300k views every single day, and that is pretty much amazing. And you can use this side hustle to do it yourself. You do not have to sell anything to anybody, you do not have to do any promotions, you do not have to do anything, but you can still make money from the first day itself by using like affiliate marketing. How you can do it? Really simple. So what you need to do is that, for example, if you choose this one, how to record your computer screen. Okay, so you can go on to screen recorder, so you can actually go up like this, screen recorder affiliate program. Okay, so you're going to be getting the affiliate program that are available like for Screenomatic. Okay, so this is like Screenomatic is having an affiliate program. Okay, so you can go up here and you'll be able to see that you can become an affiliate and you can get 50% commission on each referral. So basically you're going to be getting a $5 sign up fee free, you can see, fee through Avin required, which is a refund upon the first payment. And if you go on to the pricing, you can see 50%, you'll be getting 50% of it. So you can see that if people are getting it for like $3 per month, then also you are going to be getting like for 12 months, so it is like, you can say $3 multiplied is $36, and you can see that 3.6 million people. So you're going to be making some great amount of money basically. So you can actually use the power of affiliate marketing, and after that, like, what you have to do, you have to simply enroll, you need to promote it with the link onto the video, and after that you can earn the commissions. So it's basically really simple to be true, and whenever you learn the step-by-step ways that how you can actually do it real easily, then my god, you're going to be making some great amount of commissions with the help of that. And it is going to be super simple for people who are actually getting started, and you do not need any extra special skill. For example, you might know how to convert a PDF to JPG or to a Word file. So basic things, these things are super simple, and there are actually dedicated softwares that are available. You can recommend those softwares, and then what? You're going to be getting views, and you're going to be getting into a YouTube partner program, which is a really amazing. Actually, it is you are going to be getting the YouTube revenue whenever an ad is being run, and the CPMs might not be super high like 5, 10, 15, 20, even $100, but it is like $1 to $2. But here's the thing, you're going to be making the topics, the videos, onto a bulk. That is, you, if you want to do it yourself, you can do it yourself. If you don't want to do it yourself, it's completely okay. You do not have to do it yourself. Still, you will be able to make money. Why? Because it's one of the coolest side hustles that you can basically do whenever you think about like this. What is going to be happening is that you're going to be using search traffic, which is having a consistent flow. How can I say it? You can easily see onto the Kevin Stratford onto the Kevin's channel basically that guy is getting some real great traction onto that specific channel. And not just that, think about it, 8 million views, right? That too, that the video that he uploaded 3, 4, 5 years ago. So this is a long-term evergreen thing that is going to be getting views consistently again and again, and people are going to be searching for something, and whenever they see your video, they'll be clicking it automatically. So there is gonna be some really awesome ways that you can actually monetize the whole thing, and after that you will be able to make things happen. And after that, it will be a great side hustle just for you. And the best thing of all, I mean, if you are someone who doesn't understand selling, I mean, I get it. I myself have been there. So you might not be a really extrovert person getting into sales, selling, and all that stuff. It is too much tiring for some people. I get it. So the most important thing that can be easily be done is this one, which is really effective. Why? Because you're going to be getting consistent amount of traffic. Consistent amount of traffic means what? Consistent amount of traffic means consistent amount of money coming in onto that channel. And whenever that channel grows, you can make another channel, that is two channels, and after that you can outsource the work, which is known as YouTube automation. Basically, you can hire people for like $2 to $3, or you can give like $5 if you want, and they're going to be making the videos for you. They're going to be uploading it for you. You do not have to even touch the whole thing. So your side hustle is going to be making enough money so that you can actually make another channel, and those two channels are going to be supporting you to make another channel. And that is the way that you can actually have a set of channels that are going to be working for you, and you can replace yourself. That means what? You previously, at first, what you have to do is that you need to put in work. If you are starting from scratch, or if you're broke, it's okay, completely okay. So if you're broke, you need to put in the work, and after that you actually take yourself out from the business, and you actually duplicate that thing, and you delegate the work to other people, and you use the money that has came from the first channel as a leverage onto the second channel, and from the first and the second channel that you'll be getting money, you're going to be using it as a leverage for the third channel. And whenever you do that, it is going to be getting much more faster. It's going to be having a snowball effect, and you're going to be growing much more faster with the help of that. And I know if you have loved the video, it's completely okay. Don't forget to click subscribe and all that formality things. But the most important thing is to comment down below this thing, that what would be your niche. I mean, it can be good, it can be bad, but I would prefer that you should be making a coming in together, all coming in together, making a community. Because you see, most people use YouTube as a entertainment platform, but you can use it as a business. I mean, your entertainment time is your business time. So what you're gonna be doing when they're working, you'll be chilling, right? So this is something really exciting that you can actually learn, and you can use as a side hustle. I know many people don't tell it, I don't know why, but it is really effective for people who are just starting by. If you're a teenager, you don't have to worry about your voice. I know this thing comes in people's mind, that is, people are scared of their own voice. Getting it, totally, I have been there. So people try to use an AI voice. So if you want to use AI voice, you can use it. You can use Well Said Labs, or if you are having no money, you can use Clipchamp. But I can't assure you, because I got recently a channel demonetized because of that. So I would not recommend it for most people. But I can actually take that, you can say that, the obstruction. Why? Because I know what are the things going around, and I have that amount of leverage, so that I can turn around things, and I can get into a different zone real quickly. So it's all about experience, and at the end of the day, whenever you learn about this one single skill, this one single side hustle can make like 2 to 3. You can whatever the things you can do. Basically, just think about it like this. So number 1, you're making videos. Number 2, you can sell affiliate products. Number 3, you can do services. Number 4, you can then actually give people those services as drop servicing. Okay, so you will be able to actually, you can replace this services as a drop servicing. So basically, from this one single side hustle, you'll be able to make like 3, you can say 3 revenue streams, and this is gonna be amazing basically. So which is really amazing for some people. And if they want consulting, you can give it. I'm not taking that into consideration because it's time limited thing for some people. Some people might not agree on that, but the most important thing is this one, that if you want to join into that zone, that how you can do. Remember this one single thing, and that is that you need to upload videos in volume. Yes, I'm using it in a quotations because you need to upload the videos in volume. Why? Because the more you upload, the more chances of getting viral videos you have. Okay, the chances of virality is on the higher side. Why? Because you have the more videos that you make onto the different type of keywords, the more, I mean, the YouTube algorithm is going to be pushing you onto that direction so that you get much more traction on videos, and that's how you actually get your side hustle into a zone. So this is, I feel, one of the best side hustles that you can start on 2023. I mean, there are a few months left, so few days basically left for 2023. So if you're thinking about starting one, start from 2022. And if you want to use shorts, for example, you can use shorts because new short ad revenue system is coming, and people are going to be getting benefit with the help of that, and with the help of that you can actually grow much more faster, to be true. So this is one of the best ways that you can actually use to grow your channel, and after that grow your own brand, get multiple brands, and you'll be making some great amount of videos, and not just that, also great amount of money too. So that was all for today. I hope that you're going to be liking all the videos. So don't forget to see videos just like this ones that I have made exclusively for you, and this is really amazing. I'm getting